Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to a Smart Investor channel. So today I'll be talking about IPOC merging with Clover Health. I have amazing news today, by the way. It was a crazy day today, volatile, up and down 10%. It was just nuts. I took full advantage of that, so I'm going to let you know full details on what did I do today with this SPAC. Amazing news as well. So I'm going to do a technical analysis followed by my playbook. Did I buy, did I hold, or did I sell out on this? That being said, for those new to the channel, please go in the comments below. I left a link to the fundamentals of this stock. I already did a full video on this. It's great. So go back to that video. I highly encourage you. And also, if you're new, well, I'm a corporate professional, stock investor, real estate investor, and a passionate PC gamer. I also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and passion with like minds like yourselves. So that being said, please demolish that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell. It tremendously helps me out, by the way, guys. So take that extra second to just support me here. I really appreciate it. So that being said, let's move on. All right, guys, so amazing news. Clover Health merged. Today was the announcement. We voted. I was there present, and it went really well. People were very happy about this merge. And just so you know, this is a $3.7 billion value now as a merger, Clover Health, and it will no longer be trading as IPOC as of tomorrow, January 7th. So take note of that because you don't want to do a mistake on there and wait for an order that will never come through. And as of tomorrow, it will trade under the NASDAQ as CLOV Clov to represent Clover Health. So very important, take note of that. Today was a crazy volatile day, guys. I hope you made tons of juicy profits because it started very high. So all your stocks should have been in really green. And if you wanted to take profits in, boom, I sold a lot of them and rebought them immediately down where I wanted it. And that just maximizes a few $1,000s right there and now. So that being said, let's go do a technical analysis. All right, so IPOC currently trading at $14.77 in post market. That's up 1.72%, but it was down 3.71% throughout the day. So that being said, it's currently trading right here in post market more or less, okay, at this level. As you can see throughout the day, what happened? It hit the support level here that we had already identified at $14.13, and it bounced right back at here at this level, okay? So this was already a support level we identified. So if you were able to buy at this level, well, congrats, because you're doing well. If you aren't in yet, then definitely this remains a support level, followed by the next one at $13.30. Now, for those new to the channel, by the way, we already covered the full company profile, fundamentals, financials. So go back to my comments below. I left a link for you guys to go watch that video. If not, let's look to the resistance level, guys. Okay, so these are the two levels here that I would definitely add more shares. I have a very low average cost. I got into this stock very early, and then I shared it with you guys. But definitely, I will add more shares if it hits, especially at $13 level throughout this week. But if not, I'm happy to add here a small amount at $14 as well. The last support level that I see, realistically speaking, if it ever falls there, it's at $12. Okay, that's a no-brainer. I'm gonna add a lot more shares into this stock because I think it's going to do tremendously well, especially with the support and sponsorship of Shamat. Okay, guys, so resistance levels. Let's watch these, okay? So the first one you'll need to watch, it's $15.40, which this is a crucial one, okay? It's a bit further from where we are now, but we need to hit this one to get back on our feet and then break the next levels of $16, followed by $16.70 more or less. And then we're definitely going to be in the last step of this journey to hit all-time highs to beat the $17.45. Be honest, I'll remind you guys, my target on this stock is more or less $25 and $28. At which point, I already told you guys, I'm going to sell out on half of my shares. That's usually my strategy. Once I double or more, I sell usually my half of my shares and leave the rest to sleep there and grow throughout the years, okay? I believe this company, I'm going to stay with it unless there's some significant bad news there. I won't sell the rest of my shares. I will just leave it there to grow. I love the telemedicine. I think it's going to do tremendously well. I think with the work from home, with the COVID-19, it made us realize as a society, but as a system, politically speaking, economically speaking as well, a lot of issues that we have in our health industry, but also work environment, right? There's a lot of things we're going to adapt and change. Myself being a professional corporate guy, then I need to think about these kind of things, right? So there's a lot of things I have in mind, and that's why telemedicine for me is going to be huge. That's why I put a lot of money on IPOC, also Teladoc, but also as well the other stock that I spoke to you guys about right before. So definitely we'll do a video on that separate SPAC as well that is coming out. That being said, listen guys, those are the support levels, the resistance level. What did I do today? Okay guys, I did not sell. Okay, I did add though more shares. I added 100 more shares because I foresee I took the dip today, and I foresee that this stock is going to do tremendously well. So I added a lot more shares, and I'm happy about that. So that's what I did today. Other SPACs I sold out completely 100%, and I rebought them at the very bottom because they exploded. I'll give you an example. Okay, FSRV, it exploded. That's Catapult. Okay, that's an example. GHIV, it exploded. I sold out and I rebought it at the bottom. There's two other SPACs I did the same exactly thing, and tons of money came in. So that being said, listen, those are my thoughts. That's my strategy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What did you do? Did you sell out? Did you buy more of these stocks? And are you a believer like I am with the price target that I gave you? Thank you so much, guys, for listening to me. Hit that like button. Please supports me a lot, and I always like it. So have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.